Me. Oh, really? Okay, my bad.
So, like,
okay, ready? Close your eyes.
I've never had this before.
I know.
It's my first one.
Yeah, you're gonna love it. Alright, ready?
What do I do?
You just
just be you.
Open your eyes, mouth, close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Yep, ready?
I think it's horrible.
Sound good.
How violated do you feel right now?
Oh my god, what was that? It was so romantic. Did you get that?
Yeah.
A video or
Yeah,
tape?
video.
Oh my gosh.
Sure, now
Now I believe that you
Hey,
sell
your
vacuums. You totally sounded like one. You're like,
I was like,
But I've got
what was I supposed to do?
Enjoy it.
oh, that was good. That was perfect. You're really good.
He blew in my mouth and blew in my nose. I was like, you opened your mouth first.
Wait.
Your first Hoover. How'd you like it?
I give you your first thing. You do my first Hoover.
Yeah.
Well,
we took the H's. We got the
Do you
H's.
have a lighter? Have you ever done the
it's more like a
stick the
reverse
lighter
Hoover,
up
but-
the cup and you stick it on your stomach and it sucks like.
Oh yeah, I seen that. Oh, last time someone tried to do